Hello, welcome to IB Physics Year 1. My name is Brianna Attebery. It has been so great to start this year off with your kids here at Inglemoor High School. I'm gonna just start again. Okay. Hello. What? Okay. All right, starting again. Hello, welcome to IB Physics Year 1. My name is Brianna Attebery. I want to start by saying your kids are fabulous, and it has been so wonderful to be able to get to know them and spend time with them in the classroom so far this year. It's been exciting to get out the lab equipment and get working together in the classroom, and I am looking forward to this year together very much. Let me start by just sharing a little bit about myself. So again, my name is Brianna Attebery. I have been teaching at Inglemoor this is my 5th year now here at Inglemoor and my 16th year teaching. I have a Bachelor of Science and Bachelor of Arts from the University of Washington, a Master in Teaching from Seattle University, and I'm a nationally board certified teacher. You can see I've spent a lot of my life in and around the Pacific Northwest. I love it here. It's beautiful. I feel fortunate to be here. This year I am teaching IB Physics 1, Biology, and AVID. AVID is a college readiness elective that we offer here at Inglemoor. And then just another little piece about me is I also have kids in the North Shore School District. Zoe is a 6th grader at Kenmore Middle School, and Simon's in 4th grade at Lockwood. All right. So IB Physics is a 2-year course. Now, when students sign up for Year 1, they haven't committed themselves to Year 2, but of course, I hope they choose to do both years. And so as I talk to you about the curriculum and a little bit about IB Physics, I'll give you a picture, kind of a big picture of what the 2 years would look like and let you know specifically what we do in Year 1. So Year 1 topics focus on measurement and uncertainty, which is what we're studying right now. And then we spend a big chunk of our year in mechanics. We talk about motion, forces, momentum, and energy all during first semester. We'll spend a little time with thermal physics, and then waves is another huge area of study for us in Year 1. And then hopefully if things work out with timing, we'll do some work with electric circuits as well. In Year 2, we come back to some of those mechanics by looking again at circular motion and gravity. We'll spend a lot more time with electricity and magnetism. We'll look at nuclear and quantum physics. We'll look at energy production and then also some astrophysics as well. For students who take both years of the course, they have an opportunity to take the IB exam. If they're completing the IB exam, that happens in May of their 2nd year of the course. And then a piece of that IB testing is doing the internal assessment. The internal assessment is like a really big self-designed lab that students do, where they design the lab themselves and then they collect all their data and they write about it. And that's a paper that they submit directly to the IB in their 2nd year of IB Physics. So those pieces, again, they are really part of Year 2. And if you are back here talking with me again next year at Open House again, we'll get into more of those details. But Year 1, we really get to think about classical physics, a huge focus in mechanics and waves, and just some of those really fundamental and really fun parts of physics. Okay, Year 2 has some really fun topics too. The goal of the course, I just want to emphasize here that our goal is on learning physics. The goal is to learn physics and to learn to think like a physicist, to be able to think about problem solving, to use math as a language to describe what we're seeing in the world around us. But test prep is woven throughout our 2-year course because many of the students, if not most of the students in IB Physics 1 are planning on this 2-year course, are looking ahead to that exam. And the IB Physics exam is kind of its own thing. It's not like other tests that they've taken. And so we will make sure, or rather I will make sure that students are introduced to that, and we'll work with IB exam level questions throughout both years so that students will feel well prepared for that. These questions really push us to think like physicists, to be looking at the relationships between different concepts, to be able to think mathematically about what we see around us. So while we have these IB exam level questions, they don't pull away from our physics. They really add to, I think, and push us to think more deeply about physics. What are we going to be doing in physics all year? Well, so glad you asked. We'll definitely be doing a lot of labs. Many of our labs will be hands-on, but we also work with simulations, even when we're doing in-person learning in the classroom. So we'll have a mixture of hands-on labs and simulations this year. We'll do a lot of problem solving. So learning our physics concepts, but then learning how to solve problems with that information. This is an algebra-based course. So students that are taking any level of math are welcome in this course and will be supported in this course. We'll do a lot of collaborative work. Scientists work together, think together, share ideas together, and we learn best when we talk through things with each other. So lots of collaborative work this year. And physics is a broad course with a wide variety of topics, lots of concepts to cover. So there'll definitely be some notes and discussion as well along the way. All right, I do want to also share with you some resources and support that I've got in place for students. I'm going to start here at the bottom and then I'll work my way up the list. Email, first of all, if you or students have questions, have comments, want to talk with me about anything, email is the best way to get a hold of me. So please don't hesitate to email. I have student mental health listed on here. This is big because this junior year is a huge year for students. They're super busy. There's a lot going on, and there can be a lot of stresses associated just in a regular year, let alone a pandemic year. So student mental health is always the most important thing. Junior year in the IB program, as I said, is a busy year. And so I want students to set limits on the time they spend on homework, to take breaks as needed, and to form study groups to support each other. And these are things I'll talk to students about in class as we get deeper into the curriculum and the pace of our work picks up. We'll talk about these strategies, how to keep ourselves healthy and how to support each other through the year. For study help, students can always email me with questions, but of course I'll see them in class. We can talk in class. We have study time built into our schedule on block days as well. And then we can schedule extra help outside of regular class time as needed. Student view and parent view. So I'm just starting to put information into student view and parent view, but once that gets going for me, it's very current. So whatever you see in student view and parent view is totally up to date. And then what is probably going to be hopefully a very heavily used resource by students is in Schoology, I keep a calendar for them. So I want to take a moment just to show you that. So when we go into their physics class, we can see the calendars embedded here, but once we click on this calendar will list agendas for the week. It has links to the slides we're using in class. So if a student is absent or just wants to review what we've done in class, they can open up and see all the slides I've shared in class. There are links here to homework. There's links to extra resources as well. There'll also be extra resources embedded in the slides. So this is here to support students so they know what's going on, what we're doing, what the homework is, and how to access all their resources. All right, so I just want to come back to this last slide again and just say again, please don't hesitate to email me if you have any concerns or questions. I'd love to hear from you. And I am really looking forward to this year with your kids. They are so wonderful. It's been so fun to get to know them already. And I can tell we're going to have an excellent year together. Thank you for your time tonight. Have a good, or morning, or whenever you're watching this. Thank you for your time. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.